Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super Instagram filter of effect like this. It's a cyberpunk effect, so it's one of the best filter I ever seen for the cyberpunk. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So click on the effect option here on the reel, then click on the search option here. And now you just need to type as MOX cyberpunk 2077. So this is the filter I just talking about. You just need to select the second filter. So now it's changed to the cyberpunk. The lot of animations are here. First animation is about the lighting on you with the glass, and in back side you can clearly see the effects. It has a different type of filter on the back side, so it's have a deep between the depth has been here like a blurriness on the back with a super filter on the back, which is so look. And you can use this for the soul rocking song, you can use it for dancing, you can use it for the soul rocking song and the highlighting music for your reels and also shorts. Try this filter and get your first reel on the cyberpunk filter. Now I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Instagram filter, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.